grateful. Thank you very much. And so, ladies and gentlemen, can we all raise up our glasses? And the higher you raise it, the higher you go this year in your finance. Thank you very much. And so, ladies and now that we're done with taking pictures, I know some of you like to take pictures with him. Please allow our photographers to do their job. But if you insist that you want to take pictures with him personally, our prayer is that your birthday will open breakthrough doors for you. We pray that in the next 1 year, in the next 10 years, in the next 50 years, we'll all gather to celebrate your birthday. Can we all say amen to that? We toast to God's mercy and God's favor in your life. In one verse, ladies and gentlemen, we say congratulations, Alesh. Happy birthday to you, Alesh. Cheers, ladies and gentlemen. You can keep your glasses right now. Thank you very much. Cheers, bro. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name MC Jaiye Kuti. The people Thomas are celebrating.